Evan, is it your turn to play with the toys? Are you playing? Oh, don't cry. Look at you, big boy. Can you play with the toys? Yeah, hit that frog. Are you a big boy? Your shirt says Daddy's big guy. Yeah, you are a big boy. Bigger than your sister now. Yes, you are. Can you play with the toys? Good job. Good job. You having fun? Are you having fun? Sounds like your sister has quite the mess. Daddy's changing her diaper and it does not sound good. Does not sound You squeaking? Ah, you're funny. You're a funny boy. Hi. Uh-oh. Daddy's calling for the bathtub. We better go.